Ba otia ware boni mu bema otia ware boni mu yemfa ware enko heaven aware any ticket to success. The car pa the measure successful person aware enko and snakwasi ampanyi ni bi ho mani nku na wawu a woda ho na adwaman na wo bon obekọ akọbọ and this ikechi enko wu and din kwasi adochi enko wu medina mede sramo obiani wa ni before so no ane tikode bodem obiani wa ni before tam dadie no de wi on ane chi obiani wo timitina wiem ka chanse wo kwase ampeni hu onwunu hu onyan bema wo didi watem wo abuse ko bema wo be yin nsa abo no wa nkwa wo be kun obo wo ne na ase nkola ni ntu wotina ware ne ho a wo be wu na wote wo no twetwe ne kote si ede ne kotum kra na twetwe ne kote master beji kwa. I'm just sitting in my office and wondering, in this day and age, that men are laying down their crowns, leaving royalty just to love a woman. You are there beating your wife. You are there insulting your wife. You are there calling your wife names. In your case, you have killed the mother of your child. Please, men, up your game. Black men, please. Up your game. Why? Please. It's about time. Up your game. Real men don't hate women. Real men do not insult women. Real men defend women. Real men adores women. Master, up your game. You are too stupid. Up your game. You are not intelligent. Up your game. If you disrespect a woman, you are not the ish. In fact, you are a bushman. You're crossing me by. You're a Jimmy for.